Falling to the ground. Once again you tell the same old story. Yeah. Telling me should stop with all the doubt. And I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough. But that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know well, that I lost somewhere along the line. You let me fall from grace into a black cell. But now I'm breaking free. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Find out how to go. You're sad, far aching all because you far here, you know. Fun it gets right. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I'm taking enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough. But that's your karma, time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to. What goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, comes around, round, 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 round. What goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, comes around, round, 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 round. I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough. But that's your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose. Karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose. Your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you. Could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is a minute they'll never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game.
You call. So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you? at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress, baby, got me feeling like a mess, baby. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. To find the last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days. Don't we lose last when we we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. To find the last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days. Don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. So let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days. Don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. Naked. I just wanna see you. Something about the way your skin feels underneath my lips. Something about the way you look at me gets me every time I see your face. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. To find the last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days. Don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips
mess. That was definitely a hell of a challenge. Sorry for the cleavage. Definitely one hell of a challenge. I'm pretty sure I have bruised my ankles a little bit. I felt my hip, the inner part of my hip reflexor strain just a little bit. Not injury strain, just too much motion strain. Quite a few things using the chair were surprisingly easier than I thought. The spiral plank, mountain climber, cross one where you bring your knees to the direction of your opposite elbow. Plank itself was pretty easy. I've already filmed this before and I was a disaster artist. The fitness obviously. I tried to do up and down planks using the chair. The chair kept sliding away. Helps no one. So I figured if somebody's going to make the chair slide away, I'll just do the movement regularly, which I did twice in this video depending on what it was. I could feel my ankles getting bruised, my hip reflex on the inner part hurt a bit, and yes, I fell off the chair. Yeah, it's definitely surprising what you have the endurance and stamina for. I'll obviously improve over time. So thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you for the rest of my videos when I remember how to breathe. I don't know what's worse though, this type of video or Selena Gomez's leg workout video that pretty much a lot of people were doing and losing sensation in their legs after the workout. Who knows, but this was a challenge for sure, but it wasn't one that I couldn't overcome. So I know I wasn't going for as long as the timer itself. I was only doing my best. As I said, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you for the rest of it, for my future videos. God, what do I usually say? Bye!